I'm happy to see you in this lesson, which is a part of my online course on 8 ways to monetize Instagram account. The link to my course is in the description below. And today we will talk about importance of Reels and how to use them. And there is no Instagram without Reels nowadays. Reels performing better than advertisement. Reels can go so viral, it can be shown to so many people that you should not neglect using Reels. So Reels is a short video, up to 1 minute, but better you use shorter format like 15 or maybe 30 seconds, but 15 seconds perform better. As you probably know, this format came from TikTok. And the reason why we can enjoy this incredible possibility to use Reels, which is basically like a free advertisement, is that Instagram had to compete with TikTok. Instagram took TikTok as a competitor very seriously. And they came up with Reels, and they're pretty successful with them. As you probably know, people stay hours on TikTok because it's so entertaining, and now people stay also hours on Reels. And if you want people to see you, that's the place where you can get seen. But make sure you don't copy videos from TikTok, because it should be integrated into your account, into your main topic. Because sometimes people just copy from TikTok and it looks so foreign on their Instagram account. So the best way is just to make a new video for Instagram only and to forget your TikTok videos. But if you want to use TikTok videos, make sure that you remove TikTok watermarks. And there are some applications you can use to do that. Because if you leave watermarks there, then Instagram will see it and it will make sure that your Reels will not be seen by many people. So just that you know. The structure of Reels is more or less the same as in other formats on Instagram. And that is, you start with a hook, you grab people's attention. You basically have about 2 seconds to do it. So it should be like a very promising statement or a very, intriguing question or something like that. And then you give value, you give some valuable content after that. And at the end, you call for action. It can be any kind of call for action, but basically here you can just ask to like this video or to follow your account, because Reels are there to bring new people on your account. So you can say, if this was valuable for you, give this video a like and leave me a comment. Nowadays you can use Reels every day. It will not bother people. And they can be of different type. A very trendy type nowadays is educational. Because people want to receive value, and when you educate them, they get value, and very quickly, with just 15 seconds, if you manage to give people value, they appreciate it. The second type is entertaining. So it can be something behind the scenes, but somehow it should be related to your main topics. Because sometimes people have completely serious account and then suddenly it's pure comedy, which is not related to the content, and then it looks a little bit foreign. So make sure it is entertaining, but still it is relevant, to your account. The best way to perform on Reels is to mix those two, to give educational content, but in a very entertaining kind of way. Reels is the best place for that. If you can combine those two, you really get the best result here. But still, you can also use Reels for promotion. So because it's kind of like a free advertisement, you can say, because your Reels are shown to many people who don't follow you, then you can also promote some product you have, but make sure it doesn't sound like an advertisement. Nobody likes advertisement, yeah? So give information about your product, but in a way that, people still enjoy watching it. Next one is inspirational. People like watching something beautiful, something incredible, amazing. So when you show things that inspire people, they just want to watch it, and sometimes they watch it a few times just because it's so inspiring. And if you make it this way that it is related to your account, then it's also a great way to use it for Reels. And also Reels can be personal. Because we are building our personal brand on our account as well, among other things, they're making some personal Reels which are still giving value and entertaining and maybe inspirational. This could also be a good way just to attract people to your account and to make them follow you. So as I mentioned, those are the types of reels you can use, but the best performing is educational with the taste of entertainment. So let's talk more about educational content, which kind of content it can be. Reels as educational content can be a masterclass. Just in 15 seconds, you are able to teach people something, and this is performing really well. Second is answering questions. You can collect people's questions and you can answer them one by one in Reels. So you can say, you were asking me this and this is the answer. 15 seconds, done. Then you can share some hacks, any kinds of tricks. So it's a great way to share some interesting tips, in a very short way. You can also talk in Reels about typical mistakes, because they also grab people's attention and they want to learn more from you. Then you can also talk about some forecasts, and people might be curious also what will happen then. They will just want to learn more from you. And what can also be from here is withdrawal of objections. Because people might have some doubts, some objections to your product or to what you're talking about on your account. And if you give some withdrawal of objections on your Reels, then this could be a great way also to give some value and to attract more people to your account. I hope this lesson was useful for you and now you are inspired to create Reels. If possible, every day. If you don't have time, then once a week. I can understand that not everybody has time, to give 100% of your time to Instagram. And with me, it's the same way. If I could spend more time on Instagram, I could be even more efficient there and I could attract more people. But my time is also limited. So do your best. Forget about the rest. Enjoy, because Reels are really fun and entertaining also to make them, even though challenging, because in a short 15 seconds, or maybe up to 1 minute, you have to perform a lot. And you need to practice, talking on camera and showing things on camera, but you can learn it, I'm sure. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was useful for you. If you would like to learn 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account, check out my course in the description below. And also subscribe to this channel so you can get free content about growing your business on Instagram and about business and self-development in general. Check out some other useful links in the description below, as well as my 2 Instagram accounts. So stay tuned and see you next time.